Hi students, how are you? Hope you all are good and healthy at home. Welcome you all to the session. Today we will continue the topic dictionaries. Updating elements in dictionary. How can we update elements in a dictionary? For that we can use the statement dictionary name. Within the square bracket we can specify the key that is equal to value. Data is equal to opening curly braces 1:100, comma 2:200, comma 3:300, comma 4:200. Here I want to update the third key's value. For that we can use the statement as data. Within the square bracket I specified this 3 key. 3 is the key value, that is equal to 1500. Then at the time of execution we can see the value of this third key is 1500. Okay, clear? How can we delete elements from dictionary? For that we can use the keyword del. Del dictionary name. Within the square bracket we can specify the key. D1 is equal to 1:10, 2:20, 3:30, 4:40. Del D1 within the square bracket I specified this 2. Then the second key value pair is deleted from this particular dictionary, that is D1. At the time of printing this dictionary D1 we can see 1:10, 3:30, 4:40. The second key value pair is deleted from this dictionary D1. If you try to remove an item whose key does not exist, the Python runtime error occurs. Listen, here we use this del D1 within the square bracket I specified this 5. 5 key is not present in this dictionary D1. So it will produce an error. If we are trying to remove the item whose key does not exist in that particular dictionary, that time the Python will raise an error. Okay, clear? Next one, checking the existence of key. We can check the existence of key in dictionary using in and not in operators. Example, alpha is equal to A:\apple, B:\boy, C:\cat, D:\dog. Here the keys are A, B, C, D. The values are apple, boy, cat, dog. Now we are checking the existence of key by using in and not in operators. A in alpha. Alpha is the dictionary. Here I use this A key in alpha, that is true. A key is present in this dictionary alpha. Okay. E in alpha, that is false. E key is not present in this alpha dictionary. Okay. The next one, E not in alpha, that is true because E is not present in this dictionary alpha. Okay. In this way we can check the existence of key. Okay. If you pass value of dictionary to search using in, it will return false. If we pass value of dictionary to search using in, it will return false. Check this one, apple in alpha. Apple is a value. That value is not present in that because by using this in and not in, we are checking the keys, not values. If we pass value of dictionary to search using in, it will return false. Check this one. The result is false. To search for a value, we have to search in dict.values. To search for a value, we have to search in dict.values. Apple in alpha.values. Okay, then we will get the answer as true. Okay, clear? The next one, pretty printing a dictionary. We generally use print to print the dictionary in Python. You can use this print function to print the dictionary in Python. Example, alpha is equal to A apple, B boy, C cat, D dog. Print alpha. You can see all the values and keys together. A apple, B boy, C cat, D dog. To print dictionary in more readable form, we use JSON module. That is, import JSON and then call the function dumps. Which is the function dumps. D-U-M-P-S. Okay. How can we use this one? We can check now. Alpha is equal to A apple, B boy, C cat, D dog. Import JSON. After that, we can use this dumps function. Print JSON dot dumps alpha comma intent is equal to 2. Okay. Then we can see the dictionary as like this. A colon apple, C colon cat, B colon boy, D colon dog. Okay. This is known as pretty printing a dictionary. To apply this pretty printing in a dictionary, we have to import the module JSON to our program. For that, we can use the statement import JSON. After that, we can use dumps function, D-U-M-P-S, dumps function, print JSON dot dumps. We can pass that dictionary, then indent is equal to 2. Then we can identify the dictionary as like this. A colon apple, C colon cat, B colon boy, D colon dog. Okay, clear? Okay students, I hope it's clear to you. These all are very easy topics. So study these all topics in an effective way. The notes of the topic is attached. Take down the notes and learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.